And in today's video, we are on the internet here, the same place, but this time with Xiaomi 13. There you go. Let's hit 5G auto server. Oof. You see the difference between the proper smartphone and the inexpensive smartphone? Proper, it means expensive. We have way better antennas, and I can see 300 all the way. And what is that? Water boost your so whatever. Okay. Now the manual setting and the manual server. This could be a bit even better score, or maybe not. Similar, even worse. Similar. So there you go. Orange in Central Europe is killing it in 5G with Xiaomi 13. Not the Pro version, the regular one. Very nice. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.